Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing great. I was just waiting for US inflation data which just came in, which is at a lifetime high of around, let me show you. This one, US inflation rate is around 9.1 and let us check the core inflation also. So core inflation rate. Inflation rate is at around 9.1 and core inflation has come down by 5.9, right? So what is going to happen? That is the main thing here, right? So let us see if what I personally believe is that market may kind of be flat or market may be range bound. That's what I think. And the US futures as of now is already down by 315 points, and even US already this Europe was down in morning. Afternoon itself it was down. It was only our market which was kind of going up and down. Actually we will talk about the markets later, our markets later. And SGX Nifty is indicating positive points. I don't know whether this is a correct figure or not, whether I'm seeing a correct figure or not, but I think SGX Nifty is kind of flat. So our markets, it is always unusual, insane, and whatever you want to name it, you can name it, right? So that is how our markets are behaving. And if you can remember, even yesterday I told that markets are likely to gap up tomorrow. It did gap up, but what I was expecting is market may go to 16,100, but it was complete surprise. I didn't it went till 16,000. Even it broke 16,000. We are sitting at 15,950 level somewhere. So hopefully tomorrow we are going to gap down. Where we are going to gap down, we don't know. And open interest was very much evident. You can see, we will talk about the open interest in few minutes. You can see that from when it comes to Nifty, people were writing 16,000. Even after 3 p.m. I saw 16,000 call had so much open interest spike. So volume was spiking in 16,000, 16,100 all the way to 16,500. And our big brothers FIIs, after a very long time, after 3 or 4 days, they have started selling. Again, they have sold for 2,839 crores and DIIs have bought for 1,799 crores. These FIIs, if they want the markets to go little on the upper side, they sell very low, and when they decide the market has to come down, they sell on an average 2,000, 2,500 crores, 3,000 crores, or even we have seen 5,000 crores. So this is how the scene is looking like. And we have talked about the SGX Nifty. I think SGX Nifty is super flat. Now it is turning negative. But I think whatever happened is already factored in, and I personally believe market may open flat. If there is whatever happened, this inflation rate and whatever thing, we'll have to wait and see if US market is overreacting or not. Already this thing has been factored in. That's why we saw US market very volatile for the last 2 or 3 trading session. So we'll see how things span out, and hopefully 27th July FOMC interest rate will be hiked, whether it is 50 basis points or 25 basis point. We really don't know how our Jerome Powell is going to come out, or what is he going to come out with. This is very unfortunate. We are sitting in India. Many people would have not even gone to US. Still, it is our fate. We have to follow the US market. You tell me, if Indian government or Indian Statistics Department comes out with inflation rate or whatsoever, is the US market going to react, or the Europe is going to react? They are not going to react. But we are reacting to US market and European markets. It is very, very unfortunate, my friends. This is very, very unfortunate. We have to develop from this mindset. We have to change our mindset. That's what I want these Indian markets to do, right? And looking at the charts, as I told you, today I didn't expect the market Nifty to go below 16,000. We went below 16,000. So since this is not Nifty, this is Bank Nifty. So if you see Nifty chart, now the next resistance is somewhere around 15,700 or 15,800 levels. So this 15,800 levels, if you could remember, this was acting as a long time support for last 6 months. I would say for last 6 months this was a long time support. So if you see here, I cannot do this. I cannot zoom this because I need a mouse or I don't know how to operate this one. Now if you see here, this 15,800 levels, 15,700, on 7th of March we saw rejection here, 12th of May we saw. So 15,800 is a very long term support, and I hope market may kind of use this as a support. So that's why we have drawn here, and on the upside 16,200. I don't think 16,200 is going to be taken out, right? Even if we have positive news, nothing is going to happen. And this is this has been factored in already. So need not worry, we may gap down. We'll see the SGX Nifty one more time. We may gap down, but we may not gap down much. So that's what, see, oh my God. SGX Nifty is down by 15, it's gone to 15, it's down by 112 points. I think it is updating slowly. So tomorrow I think is going to be a bloodbath. We'll wait and see how things pan out. So Jerome Powell is going to come out and increase the interest rate. That is what is going to happen. So let us see. Whoever sold a call option today will make good money tomorrow. In fact, today in our live session, many people asked us whether we can sell call option. I suggested go and sell call option. People have sold 16,100, 16,200, 16,300, all the way to 16,500 also they have sold. Oh my God, I think tomorrow is going to be a bloodbath in US. Tonight is going to be a bloodbath, and tomorrow, already you know, even if US market goes down by 1%, we will fall 2%. Already they are down by, future itself is down by 1.2%, and SGX Nifty is already, again we'll see, not this one, again we'll see SGX Nifty is down by 112%, right? Sorry, 112 points. So let us see how things pan out. So this was very evident, and if you see the Nifty chart also, I've drawn here support and resistance. So if you see the support here, you forget about the support now. For resistance, if you see the resistance, 16,200, 16,300 is having the highest. If you see here, yeah, see 16,200, 16,300, 16,100, even 16,000 is having aggressive calls, which was being written today. And when it comes to Bank Nifty support is seen somewhere around 34,300 or 400 levels. Now I didn't expect 35,000 to be taken out today itself. It was purely FIAs who had done all this dilemma. I thought at least market Bank Nifty will touch 35,500, but to my surprise that also never happened. So we went down all the way, thanks to FIAs for selling more than more than, I think they have sold more than 2,000 crores, I think, right? And if you see the open interest also, Bank Nifty open interest also, it is evident that we are seeing call rating all the way from 35,000 to 35,500 to 36,000. So they are writing calls everywhere. So people knew that, smart money knew that markets are going to go down. That's why whatever data we are talking about now has been factored in already. They knew everything is going to happen, what is going to happen. That's why they have shorted the market. Smart money has shorted the market from morning. And we are seeing call rating, aggressive call rating everywhere, from A to Z, from all strikes. At the money strike to out of the money strike calls, everything is being written. So let us see one more time how SGX Nifty is reacting. SGX Nifty is down by how much? 131 points. So we are going to open somewhere at around 15,800. And let us see one more time. This Dow Jones is down by 353 points. Actually, it has recovered little bit. A few minutes back, we saw around 400 points down, but now it is 356. We don't know how the markets are going to open, and even S&P VIX is also shot up by 4.72%. So trade safe, nothing much. That's what I can say. I hope I have summarized this thing. Join our live session tomorrow. We'll talk about many things relating to market strategies, so on and so forth. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.